Helps protect gear case housing from corrosion as it provides hydrodynamic trim force to your outboard and stern drive to aid steering. Produced to meet Mercury Marine original equipment manufacturer specifications to best protect your Mercury Mariner or Force outboard. Each anode is designed for fast and easy replacement with common tools, remembering to check propeller clearance prior to operation. Inspect anodes periodically for best protection and replace when seeing signs of corrosion or pitting to help keep your maintenance costs down. These cast aluminum anodes meet or exceed mil-spec mil-A24779 shish, providing longer-lasting protection than zinc anodes and are for use in fresh or salt water. Top reviews from the United States. Totally happy. A complete perfect for a barn find of a 1985 BARETTA with a 140 IO MERCRUISER. I took off oversized prop. Someone else put oxygen mononitride. ND they broke off the original trim AB so the new prop would fit. First time I could tell that prop was too much for the boat. The wake even ND a slow speed was huge. I was worried this trim tab would also be in the way of the original prop, but T was perfect. I am really pleased with the speed of delivery, the cost and the product. Just buy it.